Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
But now the question comes to which business process? To the hire business process or to the proposed compensation hire business process? That's the question. See the thing? What am I? What is the group going to do here? What is this group going to do? It is going to initiate the proposed compensation hires the process, right? So it should have access to start the process. Start which process? Proposed compensation hire. Okay. So you have to be a little bit careful. If you change the hire business process security policy, it will not work. You would rather have to give initiate permissions in the proposed compensation hire business process. Now I will do it a bit differently. I will go to hire only. I will go to hire, but I'll not change that permission for hire. I'll show you how I will change it. So I will go to the staffing hire business process definition. Okay. And it will show you all the related information, business process, or the sub-processes on your left. You see, on your left panel you have all the sub-processes that can be triggered from the hire business process. Okay. So what should you do? You go to Propose Compensation, hire right. And you scroll down, you click on Edit Permissions. Right. So you will edit the business process security policy? For whom? For proposed compensation hire. Right. So I went to hire, and from there, I was able to go to this particular step. Right. So which one do we want? Compensation partner M. Right, that is what we want. And we click on OK to save this. And we activate. Activate pending security policy changes right. Test 2. Click OK. So yes, I have now made changes to my security policy. Now, if I go back to my business process definition, now should I be able to see compensation partner? I should be right. Compensation partner M. And it's right there. Magic. Right. So I did not change anything else. I only gave the compensation partner M the authority to initiate this particular business process. Right, that's how it is there. Alright. So let's add a few more people to this. So let's add another step here. Now I'm calling it as step C. Okay. And in the step C I will say, it's an action. Okay. And it is going to be edit Workday account, or I don't know if you will be able to do that. Edit Workday account. So let's see. Security groups allowed for this step. Only implementers. Okay. Again, we have to do this. Business process security policies for functional area. So let's say staffing. And let's say here it is hire again. Okay. Click OK. People have made a lot of changes to the security policies. So again, what do we need to do? We need to go to which section? Edit Workday account. Correct. We need to give the appropriate permission to the Edit Workday account sub-process. So here it is. Where is it? Yeah. Edit Workday account. And we have to include our security group in the start. Right? Who can initiate the business process? In addition to implement, let's say, HR Partner M, they are also able to edit the Workday account. Who can do actions on the entire business process. So and after we make changes, we activate. Pending security policy changes. Let's call it Test 3. Okay. And it will review it. It will say, Edit Workday account. Okay. But the H, our partner, is now given authority to initiate this particular step. So now let's go and check it out. We have the HR partner in this drop-down list now. Right. HR partner. Now let's also give them some time frame for doing this. How long do they have? Let's say they have 2 days. Okay, and similarly, the compensation partner also has 2 days to do it. The manager, on the other hand, will have only 1 day to approve. Right. And then here also the HR partner will have 2 days. So we are giving them some deadline, some due dates by which they should do this. Now let's also create another one. So here, step D, I'm saying this is going to be a service. Alright, it's a service. It is going to be created by Workday automatically. A service kind of step will be, it is a non-human task. It will be done by Workday automatically. So let's say that, as part of the service, I'm going to do something. I'm going to create the Workday account. First, we edit the Workday account. So where we give in the details of what will be the account name, and then I will click on Create Workday Account. Okay. And then I will add another step to it. Step E. And then I will say that this is an action type of step. And this is going to be onboarding. Okay. Onboarding the workers. Onboarding. For onboarding, we need to set it up separately by the onboarding coordinator, and a lot of tasks will be for the employees themselves. So we will not bother too much about this right now. Now let's try to save this. Okay. Let's try to save this. And I'm expecting it to throw up some errors. Okay, I'm expecting that. So let's see if it does. So it says that there are 2 errors and 1 alert. Yeah, go ahead, sorry. Go ahead. Krish, the steps that you have created. You have created Edit Workday account first. Create a Workday account first should be prior to Edit Workday account, right? No. What happens in Edit Workday account if the HR partner the Edit Workday account step actually does? Allows you to enter the ID that will be used to create the Workday account. Okay. So you can define what kind of ID you want. What will be the ID? Like, okay, it is the first name, last name. Is it your email? ID? Is it what?
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.